creativity as the only thing that can limit you to create something iconic and truly new. Something that has a chance to change your perception.
And that question is, how far will it go in a charge? There's lots of speculation and guesstimates online, but I really want to know for myself how far I can take this bike on a single battery charge, and not just on flat, smooth ground. I'm going to take it through my neighborhood, up and down some pretty fierce hills, over and over again, as much as I can, and ride this thing from 100% to zero if I can. My neighborhood's all 25-mile-an-hour roads, so I'm going to cruise between 25 and 30 the whole time, go up and down as many hills as I can. I expect I'm going to have probably a few thousand feet of elevation gain when this is all over. I'm going to track it with the Cyclemeter app, which is pretty accurate. As you can see, the distance was 39.3 miles, just shy of...
The transformational SRF and SRS from Zero motorcycles have already won every meaningful distinction that an electric motorcycle can be awarded. Acclaimed and celebrated by titans in the industry, these bikes marked a significant milestone in the evolution of all motorcycles, electric or otherwise. Zero is back to elevate this model to new heights, with equipment inspired by the company's factory race build from the 2019 Pikes Peak International Hill Climb. Introducing the Zero Quick Strike package for SRF. Limited to only 100 individually numbered packages worldwide to preserve the event's exclusivity, the Quick Strike package delivers race-inspired performance parts to construct the ultimate SRF. The face of the extremely limited Quick Strike is unmistakable, starting at the front of the bike with the streamlined carbon fiber front fender that sits below a black aluminum fly screen, bookended by smoked lens LED front and rear indicators, and followed by another carbon fiber fender on the rear wheel. Quick Strike riders tuck in behind the carbon fiber charge door, premium mirrors, bar ends, and lever guards that all elevate the cockpit experience. A Quick Strike motorcycle never rests, it waits. Between rides, the aluminum rear stand spools keep the motorcycle poised, coiled, and ready for the next thrilling ride. Limited edition, unlimited precision. A refined riding experience packed with cutting-edge performance. An aerodynamic, full-fairing design and refined ergonomics create greater efficiency and comfort for you and your passenger. Lean forward into the cockpit of the front fairing and you'll see a 13% gain in highway range. Sit up and settle in for an amazing ride. With higher handlebars, lower foot pegs, suspension tuned for comfort, combined with a bigger seating area for your passenger, the SRS is the most comfortable sport bike on the road. Further your riding experience with 140 foot-pounds of torque and 110 horsepower with a simple twist of the wrist. SRS offers class-leading performance and efficiency from our ZF7510 motor and 14.4 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, Thanks to our intelligent Cypher 3 operating system and Bosch motorcycle stability control, the new SRS strikes the perfect balance between power and control that sets a standard for premium performance. SRS is the smartest motorcycle on the road. A customizable full-color dash keeps everything you need to know front and center. For everywhere else, our next-gen app allows you to customize and relive your ride and feeds you critical information about the status of your bike. But to truly understand the new Zero SRS, you have to ride it.